Hi, I'm Satina Cooper and I invest in ideas. I was blown away. I thought I'd come into the wrong room because I knew what you looked like and I was looking for you, and I saw this dorky guy up there doing this presentation with everybody laughing. I was blown away, and in the end what I realised, and I wanted to come up and say to you, is I saw a master at work, and that is exactly what you are. And I just want to thank you so much for the incredible passion that you have in what you do and shine your light. It was the best sales presentation I've seen, and I'm an international person. It just was one of the best I've ever seen. Thank you.